2,000 years later.
How heavy is that? Light work with the bass on the track, on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink but it's straight from the tap, and I'm hating the slack. Couple man slide around like they hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash, cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back. Is that light work with the bass on the track, on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink but it's straight from the tap, and I'm hating the slack. Couple man slide around like they hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash, cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Into this video I have shown you making this mini microphone at your home very easily. So if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Please give a thumbs up and thanks for watching. Peace out.
How heavy is that? Light work with the bass on the track, on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink but it's straight from the tap, and I'm hating the slack. Couple man slide around like they hate in the gaff.